Okay, so first let's create a test case. Let's name it as test JUnit. Okay, and in this class, I will define a method which is called test add. Actually, the name of the method can be anyone you like. And inside the method, I will define a variable, and it will call it ABC is good. And here I will use the assert equals, which is provided by the package of JUnit. Let me say that ABC is good. Then I will use to import this. Then I will add the annotation of the test, which is provided by the JUnit. So let me try to run this program. As you can see here, the bar is green, which means that the test is okay. So what is the logic of here? It actually here I define a string variable and give it an initialize value, and then I use this method, which is provided by the JUnit, to compile this value to the string value I just defined. If they are the same, the result will be passed, and the green bar will show. So let me try to assign another value and then run this piece of code again, and you will see that the test is failed because this string is not the same as this one. And also I want you to notice that I use the test annotation right here. This annotation is provided by the JUnit framework, and it tells the framework that this method is a unit test. And if I comment this annotation and try to run the piece of code, as you can see here, I don't find the run method right there. And if I want to click there, and you will see that the no runnable method exception is thrown, which means that the JUnit framework cannot find the actually running method. So I put it back, and this time it's okay.